Today we are going to study the lesson Introduction to Geometrical Figures. The geometrical figures you had studied last year: quadrilaterals, triangles, and circles. Now, look at the pictures below. Identify the geometrical figure, draw it and write its name. Pictures you have to see. You have to draw the geometrical figure and you have to write the name. This rectangle, square you have to write, triangle you have to draw, triangle spelling you have to write, rectangle you have to draw, rectangle spelling you have to write, circle you have to draw, and circle spelling you have to write. Let us do one more activity. Let us read the question. Identify the triangles, circles, and quadrilaterals in the picture above. Color the triangles red, the quadrilaterals blue, and the circles yellow. So first you see the shapes, geometrical figures you have to see, and then you have to color triangles with red color, quadrilaterals with blue color, and the circles with yellow color. When you do the coloring, it will look like this. Now we are going to learn about the quadrilaterals. See the quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. Today we are going to learn more about rectangle. How many edges and how many corners a rectangle have? Let us count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means a rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now let us learn some more about the rectangle. Take the bigger side of the rectangle and match with the opposite side. It is properly matching. Now take the smaller side of the rectangle and match with the smaller side. This also properly matching. So we can learn from this that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Now let us learn more about square. How many edges and corners a square have? Let us count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means a square has 4 edges and 4 corners. Let us learn some more about the square. Take one side of the square and try to match with the opposite side. It is properly matching. Now take the other side of the square and try to match with the opposite side. Again it is matching. Now take one corner of the square and try to match with the other corner of the square. It's properly matching, and even the edges are matching with each other. So what we can learn from this? We can learn that all the sides of the square are equal in length. When you fold square 2 times, you get one geometrical figure. What is this? This is a triangle. Now let us learn about the triangle. Let us see the edges and corners of the triangle. Any triangle have 3 edges. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. We can do an activity by using a matchsticks. Square, rectangle, quadrilateral and triangle. Now let us complete the table below. In this table, the given things are figure, name of the figure, number of edges, number of corners. Now first figure name is quadrilateral, number of edges 4, number of corners 4. Second figure is rectangle, number of edges 4, number of corners 4. Third figure is square, number of edges 4, number of corners 4. Fourth figure is triangle, number of edges 3, number of corners 3. Last figure is circle, number of edges 0 and number of corners 0. Now let us learn how to make a 5-piece tangram. For this, you have to take a square piece of paper. Find the center of the paper by folding it twice. Open this one. Mark the centers of all the edges. After that, take a scale and pencil or sketch pen, draw the lines like this. Now, after doing this one, take a scissor and cut the lines, cut the marked lines. When you do that one, you will get like this. 5-piece tangram. Give them number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After doing this, we have to answer some questions. Let us answer the questions. Using the tangram here, answer the following questions. Our first question is, how many triangles are there in your tangram? How many triangles? You can see here. 1, 2 and 3 triangles. Our second question is, are all the triangles alike? See them properly. This is big, this is small, this is different. All of them are not same. Third question is, can we join 2 of the triangles to make a square? Now let us take triangle 1 and triangle 4. See here. If we join this one, We're getting a perfect square, isn't it? Our next question is, can we join two of the triangles to make a big triangle? Let us take two small triangles and join them. See, when we join two small triangles, we are getting a big triangle. Our next question is, how many squares are there in this tangram? How many squares are there? Only one. How many quadrilaterals? Now quadrilaterals means, I told you, four-sided geometric figure is called quadrilateral. So here we have 1a square is also comes under quadrilateral, and this geometric figure also come under quadrilateral. So we have two quadrilaterals. Now let us do one activity related to geometric figures which we had learnt. See here, draw the 11 dots like this, horizontal 11 and vertical 11 as we do in the Rangoli, and then join the dots to get these figures. Here rectangle, triangle, triangle, square, triangle, rectangle and square. One more activity. After joining the dots, you will get these figures. Then what you have to do? You have to use the colors. Okay, you have to color all the triangles with red color, triangles with red color, squares with blue color and rectangles with green color. Here also same, triangles with red color, squares with blue colors and rectangles with green color.